stop watching forex trading tutorials videos. Just stop watching those useless things. Stop watching those tutorials, and I'll show you why. You see, guys, the only thing that matters in your life now as a forex trader is the charts. Okay, the only thing that will make you a good trader is what you see here versus what you are going to do in the market. Okay, it's not what happened in 2008, 2009. Maybe it can be what happened from last year at least. Yeah, last year still 8, because now market is volatile now. Okay, it's unlike this market are no longer the same as the market that people used to trade back then. And I will tell you one thing. Another thing is that a lot of the videos that you see on YouTube, their strategies are actually based on the market. I mean the stock market. And if you can actually check, there's a huge difference between the stock market and forex market. There's a huge difference. Of course, they all have candlesticks, but if you can check it very well, you will realize that there's a very, very big difference. And I'll tell you, there's no candlestick with a DNA that will show you what will happen the next day. No. Those people are lying to you. And another thing that I'll show you is that a lot of these tutorials are just, these people are just debating. They're just fighting around the price action traders, the indicators users. Actually, it's just a debate which is going nowhere. If you can check, and as a learner, you are going to be confused, and you are going to be drifting around all these strategies. Okay, you watch my videos where I show you about the indicators. You are in love with that, and then the next thing you come across someone who's telling you that the indicators are useless. Then you are starting to be confused. Okay, after that you come across a video that tells you that you must use indicators and price action. Another one will tell you that you must use news. Okay, so these things are just conflicting you, and they are taking you nowhere. Okay, the only thing that you want to know now is how the market reacts, whether you are using indicators, whether you are not using indicators. As a learner, those debates that we see around here, these people are even fighting on Instagrams about who's the best trader, who's what. And then here on this YouTube, if you can actually check, well, you realize that those people are just debating around the lessons, are just debating. And as for me, I'll tell you one thing: you can trade market any way you want. Okay, there's no one who's using the best trading technique. Whether you are using the charts only, it's fine. If you are winning, it's fine. And then if you are using indicators, it's fine. Okay, those people who are debating around these things, they're just amateurs. Actually, they don't know what they're talking about. Okay, they will tell you there are millions ways to kill a cat, and the one who comes and say my way of killing a cat is the best than yours, that person is some dumb opinion. So there are a million ways, guys, to do anything. Whether in maths, you can solve problems the way you want, as long as you will reach the destination. And again, especially in programming, there are millions of ways to do just one thing, and there is no better thing. Okay, so a lot of these videos I see on YouTube, these people are debating around the indicators. Some are debating around price action. Guys, those things will confuse you and you'll go nowhere. I'll tell you, the first time when I began to see a progress in my forex trading learning curve, it's when I actually said it's enough with the tutorials on YouTube, it's enough with the books. Now I'm going to study the charts myself. Okay, so I opened the charts and said, no, the market here did this, then the next day the market did this, no, this candlestick did this. After that, that's what I did. And then I dropped a lot of indicators and said, no, this indicator seems to be working well with this strategy, and that's how I began to see the progress. Okay, and I was in a group where we were just discussing the market, and then within just few days I was the one who was giving the people there the advices, because those people, I've realized that they were stuck on the YouTube videos instead of opening the charts and see how the charts behave. Okay, everything you want is here. Just take your time, guys. Open this thing, whether you are in a transport, work, whatever. Keep on opening this thing. Just look at how these things goes. Okay, I mean, you are watching a YouTube video on the fact that the market fluctuate. What's the use of that? You can see it with your eyes here. You can see it here. You can see it. You can see that the market does not go straight down. It goes with waves or something. Okay, so the best thing, guys, open the market, check this and interpret it the way you feel comfortable, or else you are going to be stuck and you will be drifting around with no progress. Stop watching those videos. Those people are just debating amongst themselves and they're teaching you nothing at the end of the day. I'm always here on YouTube checking some things, and sometimes I wish I can find people who will teach this thing very well, but I actually don't see them, because everyone is drunk with his strategy and everyone is trying to show you a secret which is not even a secret, because it's here. Everything is here. You just need to check here, then check time, just check here, check time frame, check your currency, go and check if there was no news for this candlestick. Just keep on doing that, then you will learn a lot by yourself, and very fast. Okay, so yeah, if you want to drift around, you can go and watch them. Watch someone showing price action, watch someone showing candlesticks, and then at the end of the day, you have no knowledge, you have nothing, back to zero. The only thing that you know is what they told you. And every strategy, guys, works. Okay, some of these strategy are losing just because they lack certain things, but every strategy works if you work it. You just have to work it based on risk management and so forth. But then, guys, I don't think wasting your time on those things is helpful. Well, you can watch, but I'm telling you from my experience, I began to see a progress the time when I began to open the chart myself. I was confused, too much confused. The videos were confusing me so much. These people, some of them used some difficult terms. I just saw someone saying the candlesticks have DNA. I was like, yo, like the person was saying something like the candlestick have DNA to show you where the market will go tomorrow. Okay, yeah, guys, subscribe here, subscribe this YouTube channel, guys, and give me a like. I'm going to share a lot about the forex trade. I'm just going to share. I'm going to give you any information that I have, guys, about this. But first, I will have to deal with your psychologies, because it's tough out there. Sure, guys.